Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and look what I have to unbox. So for the last several months, I've actually been in Florida helping my mom after she broke her back. And this thing came while I was gone, and my husband just arrived at my mom's house. I haven't seen each other for a while, so I was really excited to see him. But look, he brought my Beachy box, and today we're going to see what's inside. And I'll just let you know, I have no idea what's in here at all. Zero. All I can tell you has something to do with the beach. But, let's see, how am I going to get in here? Oh, there we go. I don't even know how long it's been at my house. I do like these boxes. They're pretty, but they're also very convenient to store stuff in. Oh, interesting. Oh, fun. Okay, so we have a little catalog that basically explains everything that's in here. By the way, if you're interested in a Beachy subscription, I will leave down in the description box below a coupon code and also information of exactly what it is. It's all things to do with the beach. It could be clothing, kitchen stuff, decorating, whatever. But it's, like I said, it's not a monthly subscription. It is a quarterly subscription, so or seasonal. So you would get one winter, spring, summer, and fall. And this particular one is summer 2025. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? We have a hat. Let me just say, I don't do hats very well. I have a very small head and I look funny in a hat. But I do like this hat. I wish it was a visor. I love the colors of this. Okay, I'll let you see. I look funny in a hat. This isn't too bad, actually. It's a little big, so I would have to adjust it. You can just slide this to adjust it. Anyway, I'll do that later, but I love the surfboards on there. Okay. Oh, let's see. So we got some kitchen stuff. Now, I do like to cook. I don't get to do much cooking. Let's see, let me get this off. This is quality makes the food. And it looks like it's a set. The inner chef comes shining through, and you'll feel like a pro with the stylish and elegant kitchen accessory set. Its classic look goes with any kitchen, and the variety of kitchen tools ensures any cook has exactly what is needed at hand for the perfect meal every time. Honestly, I do need some new kitchen tools. Man, there's a lot here. Some of mine are probably 40 years old. So we have a little wisp. Oh, this will be nice to, like when you're cleaning out, like if you've made some cake and you're cleaning out the batter, or if you want to icing your cake or whatever. A little brush. These are all silicone. They're very substantial. This is like a spoon spatula thing. Another spatula and a smaller spatula. These are really nice. I love the colors. They'll go good in my kitchen for sure. My countertops are quartz, and they have silver and white and blue, and it's very beachy. Beachy. There you go. Let's see. Let me put these back over here. And what is this? Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist. Okay. Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist is a hydration enhancer, natural toner, and makeup setter. It infuses macroalgae with rose water to lock in moisture, softens skin, and restores pH balance. Sorry, I was kind of stuttering there, but my 65, almost 66-year-old eyeballs are not very good. Smells good. And this is by Earth Harbor. Okay. So the next thing we have, Power Couple Nail Care Duo, Nail Growth Optimizer. Okay, let me just say this. My nails are horrible. Oh, it's a duo here. What do we have? Maybe I'll get some good nails. So, again, my old eyes got to look at this. How do I use this? Okay, apply Nail Growth Optimizer to clean, dry, bare nails. Anyway, you put that on and then you put the neroli stuff on. I can't see it very well. But anyway, here they are. So one is kind of maybe like a prep, and you put the other one on. Let's see. Let's look at this. Powerful age-defying nail treatment duo that strengthens nails and promotes healthy nail growth. Restores a healthy balance in stressed nails while soothing, nourishing, and hydrating cracked cuticles. I have that issue badly. So you have a nail growth optimizer and a neroli flower cuticle oil. That'll be good. We'll definitely try that. That's what it is. All right. The next thing, now I do remember seeing these and I was eyeballing them. It says non-alcoholic coastal cooler recipe. Oh, so you have your little glasses. What's the recipe? 4 ounces of coconut water, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, splash of fresh lime juice, topped with soda water. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm going to have to try that. Celebrate your new beachy wave tumblers with this refreshing coastal cooler. Okay, let's see what's in here. I don't know how many are in here. I don't know if it's 2 or 4. This is made from durable glass with wave-inspired beaded detailing. Set includes 2 glasses, 11 ounces. They're dishwater safe. Do not put in the microwave. I don't know why I would want to do that anyway. Ooh, these are nice. Look at that. I was thinking they were going to be a lot smaller. These are really nice, though. I'm going to have to make that recipe and try them in my new glasses. Those are nice. These are my glasses. Definitely not the grandkids. They're glass. I don't want them to break. So I stick them back in here so I don't break them before I can even get them home. I believe we just have one more item, which is interesting. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. It's a blanket. I think it's a blanket. Let me move all this stuff in here. Oh, this is nice. So I have a beach sleep blanket that I absolutely love. In fact, I brought it with me. I bring it with me on all our trips, unless I'm going to be flying. But it's a fuzzy blanket, and it's really nice and soft. But look at this. This is really nice too. We have like a amber colored and then pink and then a cream color back to the amber color. It's big too. And here's everything I got. I'm actually really pleased with it, especially considering I had no idea what was in the box. And like I said, I'll leave information about how you can get your box along with the coupon code down in the description below. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.